Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block email addresses in Gmail. This is very useful if you don't want to receive emails from a specific person or sender anymore. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Gmail, then log in to your account. There are two easy ways to block an email address. The first method is if you already have an email from that person. Just open the email. Then look at the right side and click on the three dots, More Options. From the list, click on Block. After that, confirm it. Now, any future emails from that sender will go to spam, and you won't see them in your inbox. If you want to unblock later, you can also do that easily. Now, let's see the second method. If you don't have an email from that person, you can create a filter. Go to the top right corner and click on the gear icon. Then click on See All Settings. Next, go to Filters and Blocked Addresses. Here, click on Create a New Filter. A new window will appear. In the From field, enter the email address you want to block. Then click on Create Filter. Now you will see some options. You can choose to skip the inbox, or you can automatically delete the emails. If you want to completely block it, select Delete It. Finally, click on Create Filter. That's it. Now emails from that address will be blocked automatically. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thumbs up.